Hello everybody! Meron tayong special treat para sa iyo and this is in line doon sa ating parating na Makinamoto Bazaar and Test Ride Consortium. October 18 and 19, malapit-lapit na po yan, and this is happening at the Bridgetown destination in Pasig. This is also in line with Gulf Oil Philippines. So ano po meron? Well, you have a chance to win an all-expense-paid trip to Malaysia to experience yung pinaka-prestigious, pinaka-malupit na karera sa buong mundo pagdating sa dalawang gulong. And of course, I'm talking about MotoGP. This is happening on October 23 all the way till October 27. So to get into it, how to win? First step, you have to like and share this video with the hashtags Gulf Oil Philippines, Gulf X Trackhouse, and Makinamoto Bazaar and Test Ride Consortium October 18 and 19 Bridgetown Destination Pasig. Yun lang iintindihin yung mga hashtags habang sinishare nyo at pagkatapos nyo ilike yung video na ito. Pag ginawa nyo na yan, paki-screenshot po at ilagay nyo sa comments below. Step number 2, you have to like and follow yung official Facebook page ng Gulf Oil Philippines. Yung address po niyan is Ride with Gulf PH. Very easy so far. Step number 3, kailangan nyo pong i-message yung Facebook page nila. Paki-PM po sa kanila yung pangalan mo, your address, and your phone number. Now, of course, bago nyo to gawin lahat, you have to make sure na available kayo on October 23 to 27 kasi hindi po pwedeng i-convert yung trip na ito to cash. Unang-una, nabili na yung ticket, naka-block na yung ticket, so ilalagay lang yung pangalan mo should you win. So, sure ball na may ticket tayo. Kung makaka-leave kayo on the spot na boss, may karera eh. Or something like that. Just make sure na before you do any of this, para di aksaya yung oras ninyo na makakapunta ka. Also, to remind you, hindi po to transferable. Ikaw lang ang pwedeng, kung ikaw manalo, ikaw ang pwede pumunta doon. Step number 4, you have to be a Gulf Oil customer. So, ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Kailangan gumagamit ka ng Gulf Oils, right? So, this is like a special treat to the Gulf Oil customers, yung mga tumatangkilik sa Gulf Oil. Ang gagawin natin dito, doon sa venue, you can buy Gulf Oil sa Makinamoto Bazaar, October 18 and 19. Just look for the Gulf Oil booth. Pwede kayo bumili doon ng oils and automatically eligible kayo sumali. And then we will draw the winner sa Sunday, and that is October 19 by 7 p.m. Malalaman na natin kung sino yung mga kasama natin sa Malaysia. I say natin because yes, kasama ako. I will be documenting everything. Tayo ay magbabanding. Tayo ay magiging close. Ikukwento ko sa iyo yung mga heartbreaks ko, yung mga ex natin, yung love life natin, at gaano ako kasaya ngayon sa aking asawa. Yung mga ganun ba? And it's gonna be a fun trip, right? I'm gonna be with you every step of the way. So there you go, exciting times in October. This is one of the most sought after events in the world. Of course, we're talking about Makinamoto Bazaar and MotoGP. Yung ating racers are Raul Fernandez and Ai Ogura, and hopefully we'll get a chance to meet and greet with them as well. So good luck sa inyong lahat. I wish you guys the best. I will see you in the biggest moto accessory sale in the country. Bagsak presyo po tayo dito. Ang daming brands, ang daming matetest ride. Makinamoto Bazaar and Test Ride Consortium October 18 and 19 at the Bridgetown destination in Pasig. Again, good luck sa inyo lahat, and Gulf Oil Philippines, maraming salamat for this opportunity. This is pretty awesome, pretty great. Very exciting. This is Zach. I'll see ya. Ciao.